If you've ever been stuck on the side of the road or in a campground with a low tire and you need to pump your tires up, well, this thing might just be your next best friend. Let's take a look at this really quick. It's a portable tire inflator, and you can find portable tire inflators all over the place. But the reason why I picked this one up is because it boasts that it can go up to 180 PSI. Now, I'm not really worried about how long it's going to take to 180 PSI because most trailer tires exceed that 35 tire PSI range and go up to 60, 80, even 125 PSI on my rig. Now the rig behind me is a rig that I'm working on right now, and I just happen to need to inflate the tire so that I can put it on the road. So I'm testing this out today to figure out if it really will hit those upper ranges. And again, I don't really care how long it takes because it has an auto shut off. So as I'm working on it, I can just leave this going until I hear it turn off, and then I can come back and check on it. In the bag, you're gonna get a DC charger, which is awesome. You can also charge it with just a normal USB-C. Now that's a must because if you lose this, you can still charge the unit if you lose the 12-volt charger. Plus, you're gonna get all the accessories that you need just in this little bag. Now I don't use these very often, but it looks like you have a spare fuse if you need that. So you have a needle, and then you have inflatable balls as well right here. So with that bag, you just keep it in here. I keep the charger in here, which is nice because it'll still run plugged in if you have a low power. So I just would keep this in the trunk of your car because nothing is worse than when you have a flat tire and your spare is flat. So come along, we're gonna test this out and see if it can really pump a trailer tire up without being plugged in. We're gonna test that first. So let me show you this right here. You got to press and hold down for a couple seconds before it powers up. Once it powers up, it's going to put you in memory mode and it's going to start you out at 36 PSI. You're going to switch the modes right here by this button. The flashlight is really handy if you ever have to change a tire in the middle of the night. So that's awesome. Plus, it also gives you just normal flashlight. And also, if you are on the side of the road, it gives you a slow blinking and then like a hazard light situation, so cars will notice you. That's a cool little safety feature. You got a couple different modes here. It first starts you out in like a motorcycle mode, and then you have a bicycle tire mode that's gonna get you the upper range. And then you have a basketball mode, puts it at 9 PSI. And then you have other mode, which is what we're gonna be in right now. We got an other mode, and then you have a normal car tire. So we're gonna go to other to see if we can't reach those PSIs. So I'm not sure if you can see that on screen, but it's really simple to hit those modes. I'm gonna up this to this tire. It goes to 65, but I'm gonna go to 60. So we're gonna test and see how long it actually takes to get to 60. Again, I don't have this unit, so to me, it doesn't really matter how long it takes. More for my use case is that it'll actually go up to 60 and shut off and see how many tires I can get on a battery charge. So we're gonna start out this test right here. So I'm at 40, so I'm gonna go from, well, 39 to be exact. So I'm going 39 to 60, and we're gonna see how long that has, and it has an auto shut off. So I just have to listen to the sound. And you can hear that, that's probably the sound of just a normal inflator. I'm gonna see how long it takes to get to 40, and we'll just leave it running. All right. It's done. It finished. It completed the job at 60 PSI and shut off automatically. To me, that's a win. That's a big W in my book because that means that I can keep this in the car, truck, or trailer and have the peace of mind that no matter if I have access to power anywhere, I can always charge it up with the USB-C from my truck or my car if it is low on charge. But this one, actually, I can take it to the trailer. So if I have a low tire, my trailer's been sitting in storage, I don't have power next to it, I can easily have the peace of mind of knowing that it's gonna inflate my tires to the higher PSI. I've actually bought a few of these before and I don't get those high PSI trailers. Tire where you're at 60, 80, it says it'll go up to 180 PSI. I believe it. It's gonna take a long time to get there. So when I'm camping or just wanna get it out of storage and I wanna check the PSI on the tires, this handy wireless tire inflator is gonna do the job and I know it's gonna do it right.